Welcome to International Brain Excel School, Mathematics, Senior Secondary. Our topic for today is trigonometry. Good. First thing you need to ask yourself, what is trigonometry? What trigonometry? Trigonometry means trig for triangles, metry for the measure, that is, measure of triangles. Are you with me? Okay. The very first thing we'll be looking at is trigonometry ratios. Trigonometry ratios. What is all about trigonometry ratios? If you have done it in your GSS 3, now let me take you there. Taking you back. Let me start with a right angled triangle. If this is a triangle, it's a right angle triangle. It is going to be a right angle triangle if I put this. This is what makes it right angle. Okay, from there, in this triangle, let me name the triangle, let me name it A, B, and C. Okay, from here, in your junior secondary school, you will have been taught sine, cosine, and tangent. Let's move. From this right angled triangle, you agree with me that the longest side, very sure, looking at it clearly, the longest side, when we look at naming, that's line AC. That's the longest side. The longest side is always called the what? Hypotenuse. The longest side is the hypotenuse. Then we have another line here and we have another one here. If I put an angle at point C, then let me name it angle theta. This angle is at point C. This angle, normally for this triangle, the longest side is the hypotenuse. The side facing this angle is always the opposite. Take note of that. Students normally miss this area. Where is facing this angle? Where is the side facing the angle? The side facing this angle is this side, not here. So definitely, the side facing this angle is the what? Opposite. Okay, let me write it this way for you to see it very well. Opposite. Automatically, from here down here, which is the base, is the what? Adjacent. So, also, if I am to look at another triangle, before we go on, look at this triangle, it's a right angle triangle. And let me triangle A, B, and C. If it's going to be a right angle triangle, I have my right angle point here, perpendicular point. If I put this angle theta, if I put it here, it's constant. What is constant for a triangle, right angle triangle? It is the hypotenuse. The longest side is always the hypotenuse. Automatically, this place is the hypotenuse. If I put my angle here, I told you this place is not going to be the opposite anymore. The side facing the angle will now be the opposite. Automatically, this is facing this angle. This is my opposite. Definitely, the left will be what? Good. Are you okay with that? Good. Thank you so much. Let's continue. From here, in your junior secondary school mathematics, we have sine, cosine, and tangent. When I was in school, to grab it very fast, we use what is called so, ka, and what? And tour. Thank you. So, ka, tour. Let's hypotenuse. Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Good. What is cos? Which is for chi. What is chi here? Chi stands for cosine. We have adjacent over what? Over 8 stands for what? Hypotenuse. Okay. Last one is the what? 2r. 2r stands for what? Tangent. Tangent of what? Of opposite. Oh, opposite over what? Over adjacent. Please get this once and for all. I'll go back to it. I said we have so, ka, tua. So stands for what? Sine equals what? Opposite over hypotenuse. H stands for hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Ka stands for what? Adjacent. Where is adjacent? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. What the last one is 2r, and it stands for what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. Alright. If you understand that, now let's go to gaming. Let's start with sine. Let me use this angle theta. Let me work with angle theta then. If I ask you, what is, let's name it sine theta. I'm using this angle now. Sine theta. Sine theta stands for what? We have so, and that stands for what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Where is my opposite? Where is my opposite? This is my opposite. Where is the naming? The line starts from here and ends here. So let me name it AB. Don't just write AB, please. What is something like this? Line AB. That is for what? My opposite. And I have what? Hypotenuse. Mathematically, the hypotenuse will be what? AC. Line AC. Over line AC. Okay. Let's go to chi. And chi stands for what? Cosine. Let me use cos theta. Cos, we have what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Good. Where is my adjacent? I think my adjacent is here. BC. That's right. So line BC over my what? Hypotenuse. My hypotenuse remains line AC. Please, are you getting? You need to get this thing once and for all. Okay, last one. We have 2 hours is for tan. Let's go for tan theta. My tan theta is going to be what? Opposite over adjacent. I'm rubbing this off. Know it once and for all. 2 opposite over what? Adjacent. Where's my opposite? AB. That's line AB over my what? Adjacent. BC. Line BC. Good. Let's look at sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite, hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Okay. Let me give you this. Let me try. Wrap this up. I'm going to leave this for you. You still know this. Let me wrap this up. I place this place as theta. And I ask you, give me sine. Okay, let me use theta because it looks like. Let me use beta. Something that is just a symbol. Don't worry. Beta. And I ask you to find me sine beta, cos beta, and what? Tan beta. The beta is here. How do we go about that? It's very, very simple. Now let's go. Okay. Beta. Sine beta. Sine. So, opposite over hypotenuse. Am I doing what I told you the last time? Wherever the beta is, or the angle that you have been given is, facing will be your what? Opposite. Automatically, I can't use this anymore. The only thing I can use here is what? My hypotenuse. Why? Because the angle has been changed to point A. Which side is facing angle beta? It is only this side. So this is going to change. My hypotenuse still stand. So it is this side that is facing, this side is facing the angle. Automatically, this place will now be my what? Opposite. Please take note of these things. And the last one will be my what? Adjacent. A change. A swap. Why? Because the angle has been changed. And even the angle is here, it will still remain. Mind you, from your junior secondary school, there's something I need to tell you, if you forgot it. This signify is always equal to what? 90 degrees. Please take note of that. Whenever you see something like this, it means that angle here is what? 90 degrees. Take note. Because in our second class, we are going a little bit what? Higher. Take note of it. Don't tell me I never told you this. Please take note. Now what is sine beta now? Coming back. Sine stands for so. And that is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. This is the side. Where's my opposite? This side. Let me write this up. Okay. Which side is the opposite? Line what? BC now. Automatically, my sine beta will be what? Line BC over. What is mine? That is my what? Opposite. The next one is what? Hypotenuse. Where's my hypotenuse? H. This side. And that's my what? AC. Okay. Line AC. Good. Now let's go. Cos beta. Cos beta. That stands for what? CAH. That's cosine of what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. What is my adjacent? Line AB. AB over, what is my hypotenuse? Line what? AC. Line AC. The last, but not the least, for today. Tan. And that's what? Tan beta. Tan stands for what? Twa. And that's what? Tangent of what? Opposite over adjacent. Tan beta. Opposite. Where's my opposite? Line what? BC. Line BC over adjacent. And that's what? Line AB. Okay. That is good. Let's continue. Okay. You know what I told you the first time? We are going a bit higher, but that will be the next class. Are you with me? Let's review. Let's come back to everything we have done today. Let me see if we got it right. We started with trigonometric ratios, and we look at our SOHCAHTOA using the sine, cos, and tangent. Sine is just like a little thing for you to remember. Sine, we get it an acronym, we have SO. Abi, SO stands for what? Opposite over hypotenuse. And mind you, hypotenuse is always the what? Longest side of a right angle triangle. And I also told you that whenever you have the right angle point, if the angle is always equal to what? 90 degrees. And also, I told you, please take note of this, it is very, very important. That what? Wherever the side, the angle you are being given, take note. The side facing the angle is always the what? Opposite. With all these few things, I think you have learned a lot today. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.